This is the outfit look of the day, keeping it all simple. We're going for black outfits. The girls also wanted to do match up. They decided to go with the black outfits, and Josephine wanted to wear her pink shoe, which I feel like she looks really cute. And I also kind of switch off the hairstyle a little bit just to make a little bit of afro, and they look so beautiful. So we're going to this play garden. It's an indoor play city, and then later on I have a different plan. We're going for a date night. I thought, let's just dress up. There's no need to come back home later, change, and then go back to the city for the date night, because we don't live close to the city. We have to like go back and come back. It's going to be too much. So I thought, you know what, I'm just going to dress everyone up already. It's an indoor play city. I have some towel with me, some wipes in case the dress got dirty. We can just wipe it so that it still looks presentable for date night. So this is the play garden. I didn't do a lot because it was indoor, so I could just sit down and just relax a little bit. Mind you, we came here very early. I know it was still very early in the morning, not like very early in the morning, but it was around 11 to 12 o'clock. And then it was around 11 o'clock, I think so. And then we came here, and the girls wanted to play because they really wanted to play. They wanted to have some good time. So I thought, you know what, let's just come here and spend a couple of hours. We took a long time in here. I was just relaxing, playing with my phone, watching some movies on Netflix, and also paying attention to them once in a while because it's indoor, it's closed, so there are cameras around. They cannot just go out of their building. So it was really nice, and I tried to capture one or two moments, one or two pictures and videos of them, and then I'll go back and sit down and relax. They had some really fun. They had some really great time. And also I thought, you know what, since they already sell some fries in here, we're just gonna have our lunch in here. There was no need to just go outside and get lunch and then come back. They already sell everything in here, so it was very nice. And the girls had some really great fun. Like they really had some really great time. And it's also holiday season, so there are a lot of kids here. Everyone was celebrating their birthdays. They also had some birthday celebrations in the play garden, and I was just like relaxing. I was just feeling myself. And I also brought some candies from the last time we went to the Nijmegen festival. We bought some candies there. They didn't finish it, so I brought some candies, and I wanted some ice. I got some ice as well, and I also ordered some drinks, and I ordered some frites, some fries. I got me some drop because I love drop. So this is my own candy container. I got me some drops, and I really love drops. So we're just having fun, just trying to entertain myself to burn time. And then I ordered some fries with some fried chicken, lumpia, and other stuff. And we ate our lunch. It was really nice. We just have fun. I'm just sitting down, enjoying myself, allowing them to play and have fun. So it was really good. I love this drink. This is like an aloe vera drink. I love this. You can pick this up at the Action. I think I picked this up at the Action. I really loved it. And the kids also drink, eat. It was fun. It was really fun. It was really nice. A lot of people in here, a lot of games. They love the fries because that's the only thing. You can get bread, but I felt like fries was much more better. You can actually buy some bread in here and get some other things, but fries was much more better. I think was more better. Oh, I took this drink, and then it was so cold. I got some brain freeze. Like I got my brain. I was like, brain freeze, brain freeze. It was so crazy. So we spent some couple of time there. Finally, the girls were like, okay, let's go. It was also closing time. It was late in the evening, and I went with the girls to the bathroom just to wipe their dress, wipe any dirt, any stain, and their hair was still looking very good. They still look put together. So then we came to this restaurant in Arnhem. It's a new restaurant. Right now we're just trying like different restaurants. Like we've tried like six. This is the number 6 restaurants we've tried in Arnhem. We've tried different type of restaurants in Arnhem, and I really loved it, because this holiday we're not traveling. We're just around. Maybe we'll go somewhere this year, but for now we're just in the country. And I was just like, okay, let's just try different restaurants, because actually I wanted to travel with the kids, but then it didn't really go along with my planning. So I thought, let's just stay here, let's just stay in the Netherlands and look for something to do and entertain ourselves. Let's just go with what we have. So yeah, I ordered some food and they also ordered some food, and it was really really delicious. I really really loved it. And the girls was just ordering, do you have chicken, do you have this? They were just going all the way in with the food, and the lady was like, are you not full? I'm like, no, just give them what they want. And this chicken really really, this chicken was really nice. It tastes really delicious. It was really really nice. I loved it. I finished all my food. Like, that's how delicious the food was. I love the salad. Oh, the salad was so delicious. I really, really loved it. And the girls were having fun. I was just trying to catch one or two memories, making some videos. And the weather it was raining. So it was raining. We were there. The weather was beautiful. And then suddenly it started raining. It was start raining, and the girls, because the restaurant is upstairs and downstairs, the girls wanted to go upstairs. So I thought, you know what, first of all, you finish your food. When you finish your food, you can go upstairs and look upstairs, and then after that, you can come downstairs. We can have our dessert. By then, the rain will cease, because they said it in the news weather, that it's going to be raining for a couple of minutes. So now the girls are upstairs and I am just sitting here drinking my wine. I ordered some wine and I thought, let me drink my last glass of wine. This is the second glass. Let me just drink this, and then dessert is coming so we can eat. At this time, the rain has stopped a little bit, so we can just eat and just go home. And it was really really nice, but we didn't actually go home because this girl had a different plan for me. So we ate desserts and it was really nice. Now we're going home. The way to the station, they have this game box, this game city game thing in there, and the girls were like, oh, can we just go there for 5 minutes? I was like, okay, no problem. So we went here, and of course they can't get tired of this thing, and it was really really fun. Actually, I love this clown thing. This clown thing is my favorite. Every time I'm here with the girls, we must come here and play this clown thing. This clown thing is so satisfying when I'm playing it. But yeah, we came here and they spent some couple of minutes in here. It was really fun, and they had some really really great day. And then I thought, you know what, allow them to play a little bit, and then we're gonna take the train. We're going back home. It's a beautiful day. It was really really nice. We played the clown thing like multiple times, and then the girls wanted to switch to something else, and it was fun. It was really fun. They also love this clown thing. They played it so many times. Like, I love it. I love this clown thing. One of my favorite game in here. I really really loved it. And then yeah, I'm just hanging around till the girls are like, okay, let's go home. But it was fun. It was really really fun. I enjoy the day.